Wishing a 4 BHK with 6 bathrooms at Springs ICC by Bombay Realty, 40-story genius and a marvelous structure. Excellent apartment with wraparound balconies. Let's go and have a look inside. So you got a big, gigantic and a welcoming lobby, double height, grand lobby. And it's a visionary landmark, this tower. You got waiting area as well, so if you got guests, you can make them sit down here. You got elevators onto that side. Let's go and have a look at the apartment and the amenities. So that's your pool area, big, wide, massive one with some outdoor open space as well, out there as well. So you can party along the pool side. You got kids pool onto that side. And that's the one. That's a massive, lovely, gorgeous tower, Springs. So that's a party lounge, the party hall here, where you can have your catering, where you can have function, weddings, seminars, and whatever you like, just by the poolside that we saw. It's brilliant. Quite a space. You can easily accommodate about 25 to 30 people here. And that's your tennis court to stay fit, active, and approach a very good, healthy lifestyle. It's a brilliant one. You don't get tennis courts much nowadays because of lack of space. And that's your tower. That's your humongous tower. Improve your cardiovascular health, agility, and mobility with a game of squash. Great game here. And a lot of space around as well. They've taken care of every bit and nuances. This tower with again the recreation, the table tennis, carom, and a lot of other recreational games here inside. A nice fully functional workout and gymnasium. You have all the equipment, you name it, it has it. So you don't have to go outside. Within the society, cleanliness, day-to-day cleanliness as well, and brilliant equipment. So it really ensures that you remain active, fit, and hustle for that muscle. Also a library with lots of books inside to foster literacy of all kinds and create healthy communities. And it can also help support culture and creativity. And in this space, you can really unwind and sharpen your intellect and memory. That's what it is. Springs by Bombay Realty. Wishing a super luxurious and ultra premium 4 BHK at Springs. We enter here, we got a nice vestibule area, the foyer where we can make the outsider, the coming from outside, they can just be here, and then we can collect parcels or whatever you want. If you don't want to let them inside, this nice area which doesn't invade your privacy at the living space. As soon as we enter here now, that's your massive, humongous living space. 3,200 square feet carpet, including the balcony. So 800 square feet of balconies and 2,400 square feet of the living space. And everything is the wood is being used is Burma teak wood, extensively used and helping you last for lifetime, so that it's anti-termite and brilliant features as well. It's expensive as well. So as you can see, that's your deck, sprawling wide sun deck going from one end to the other. You can just hop, jog, run, whatever you do on the balcony, and that's all yours, private space. And look at the planters. You can have all the kind of different plants that you can, that goes all across everywhere. Let's go back at the living space and see the rest of the apartment. That's 11 feet ceiling height. You see the Burma teak wood being used everywhere. There we go. Yeah, the library here in the corner. And so you've got a couple of bedrooms onto that side. That's where we enter from. Couple of bedroom onto this side. That's your dining and your kitchen. So let's have a look at the kitchen first. That's your kitchen with the island in between. You got a modular kitchen. You got a staff room as well and the staff bathroom. So that's the one. We won't bother going inside. That's your living space. Have a look. And the dining. And that balcony keeps extending all the way till there. You got 6 bathrooms, including the powder bathroom here. And this is a master bedroom with the wooden flooring. Again, very nicely and elegantly done. Look at the space around, and the low slung platform bed really adds to the charm at the corresponding with the floor to ceiling wardrobes and immaculate balconies overlooking outside, which is bright and sunny at the moment, with the study area there in the corner, libraries and walk-in wardrobes. And that's a big spacious bathroom. There you go. And that's a walk-in. So we saw the bedroom here onto this side, bedroom number 2. Now this is being used as a guest bedroom with so much storage and so much wardrobe space as well, and with the ensuite. And again, this extends all the way. The balcony here, if you can see, extends all the way till here, going right across onto the living space. Let's go and show you the balcony. There you go, that will be your living space and the bedroom, and that bedroom here as well. So L-shaped wraparound, as we can call it. And look at the space, that's humongous. So 2 bedrooms onto this side, 2 bedrooms onto the other side. We saw the kitchen as well, and terrific layout and brilliant. It's like a butterfly layout. You got again a low slung platform bed. You got big nice curtains, ample space. So you just pull that out and you got storage, as you can see, the shoe cabinet and stuff, and more storage as well. Have a look at the bedroom. Brilliant, and so much sun coming in right from outside, and that's what people look for, the brightness and natural light coming into your apartment, which makes it lively and sporty. This is the last and the final one, and that's, again, it's got its own balcony with a bench outside. You can sit, relax, chill out. You got wardrobes here, floor to ceiling. That's a bench. We're part of the exclusive ICC. We've got 9 acre of garden as well attached to this, so you can go jog, walk, run. That's what you can do. We checked out the amenities, and that's a final bedroom, 4 BHK with 6 bathrooms at Springs ICC by Bombay Realty. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. If you want to have a look at this majestic, luxurious apartment, holla at me. Cheers.